What is up, everybody? I am back with you again today. Andy's team talk, because no one else wants to stay with me after hours to do this. So here I am giving you another team talk. Lots of questions coming in about transom savers and motor totes and motor supports. What are we doing? What's going on? What's our opinion? I got an opinion. I've been dealing with this stuff for a long time, many years. I've dealt and I've done a lot of research, and I think I have found the best, the number one motor support out there for bigger engines. Like I say, bigger engines, 150, 175, 200, 250, all the way up to the big V8s now. But I believe I've got it. So back in the day, we started out with this, your standard transom saver. Motor support goes to the trailer, set your motor in here, here you go. This is what you get. You get this taken care of. But when you take this off, this doesn't fit in your truck, or it doesn't fit in your boat. You gotta take it all the way back to your truck. You gotta walk it all the way back to your truck, put it back in your truck. Throw this in your rod locker, it's gonna make a mess. So this nowadays has gone away. Goodbye. Then we ended up with this right here. This mighty Wedge. I saw a crap ton of these come through the shop. A crap ton of these come through the shop. Well, if I take this off of here, you know what it looks like. I'm not gonna go into that. But here we go. You got this thing right here. This thing causes problems. See how tight that is? That actually sits on your seals, your dust covers, all that stuff on your trim units. It beats the living crap out of it. It doesn't work. We fix more trim leaks because of this product right here. This thing right here, this Wedge thing deal. I don't know. Okay, a lot of guys have it, a lot of guys like it. They get wore out, they get busted, they knock off grease fittings. This, junk. Then, we got this. Motormate came out with one. I really don't have any problems with the Motormate. It's a good product. It works, it's functional. This is an issue though. Like, this is brand new. This unit's brand new. So I'm like, that bothers me. I shouldn't have that problem with a brand new product in my eyes. Motormate came out with this. Swivel Ease came out with also another brand that was similar to this. Swivel Ease came out, and then you wore the tips off, you crushed your where your nuts were for your mercury, you crushed it on the lower mounts. Then they came out with this. This is in fact for the Yamaha, but this bothers me. I mean, it's a great product, and I don't know, it is what it is. Yeah, it's junk. So now here you go. The best one that I found, badass, always works. DD26. Go check it out. Make sure you get there. I mean, look at this. Quality product. It's got this thing right down here. Can you see that? Can you see that right down by my finger? You know what that is? That's an American flag, people. That means it's made in the USA. Right. So look at this. Little rubber stoppers. Look. You seeing this? We got kids at home. Kids, you could play with this thing. It's so easy to use. It works every single time. This, not just your normal plastic, people, okay? This is machined, it's worked. Everything about this product, it looks like it weighs about 1 million pounds. It's light, it's lightweight. It's really lightweight, and it's built like a machine. This one here is for your Merc, your Pro XS, and your new V8, and this is for your Yamaha, your SHOs. Look at how big the hole is. Look what Dave did. Look what Dave did. You see how big he made that hole? So now we're not sitting on the seal, and we put a taper there so we're not flat. See that? I don't know if you can see that taper or not, but there is a taper there. So when this thing sets down on your trim ram, it's not setting on the seal. Okay? He figured it out. He put logic into something. This right here. The best motor support system on the market. DD26. Make sure you go check them out. These are, I mean, they're beautiful. Tons of colors. I mean, orange, green, white, silver, black, red, blue. I think he's got every color. It's amazing. And he's a great guy, easy guy to talk to. But we sell them. We just got them in. We sell them. I did some other stuff. I had a couple in my hands earlier, but we got our first shipment in, and of course he did not make it feel like I spent my money in the wrong place. He's a great person to talk to, and he sent quality products. I mean, they're beautiful. Actually, I just want to take it home. I just want to put it in my truck. I might put it in my truck and go home, just stare at it, just because it's so beautiful. And other thing that he's got mean stops. Mean stops are for your hydraulic steering. And I put these things on today. I put them on a set. I wish I had a boat sitting behind me so you guys could see this. These things are bad. Silver again. I ordered the silver just because I just thought they were so cool looking. These literally, like, you got to push them on and they clamp on. It's crazy on how these things work. But these are made by DD26 also. They're not plastic, not rubber. Guess what? Metal doesn't wear out when you're just going clink, 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 clink. Guys, it comes with a nice thing. Put it all together. If I had my Yamaha, I could take this and this, put this in one. Look at. See this? That's how small this is. This is beautiful. All this goes in one box. You open up your deal, put them back on. I know he's doing some sponsorship stuff with like Brandon. I think Brandon Polinick's running this, but I am here to tell you the best quality I have ever seen in motor supports right here at DD26. Make sure you go check it out. Get on his site, call, comment, tell me what you're using and ask questions about this stuff. But I am telling you, go see this. This is unbelievable. Craftsmanship, quality, A+. So, from Andy and everybody else that's here right now, I say, I hope everybody's doing well. Keep your spirits up. Things are looking bright. Go see DD26. Make sure you go there. And if you call in, say, hey, Andy was talking about this thing on this team talk. I want to know what he's talking about. Give him a call. All right? We appreciate it. Thanks again for all the support. Everybody stay healthy, stay friendly, keep it real. I'm out. See ya.